Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the White Queen from Alice in Wonderland in Dress to Impress. You only need a few items, but you do need the Roblox dress. If you don't have it, you can replace it with just the trendsetter dress. For the hair, I use this in this color here. Adjustments: Y.54, Z.71, rotate the X to 0.721, and scale it to 0.35. Then I also use this hair in that same color, no adjustments made. For the outfit, it's all white, so it's pretty simple. Grab this lace top and then color it all white. Then use this dress here. Oops, wrong one. This one in all white as well. Pretty self-explanatory. Then you're going to grab this long dress, turn off see-through, and color it all white. Then we're going to get the magical girl set top here and check everything except for the lace and color it white in matte for everything. Then for the sleeves, we're just going to use these ones from the magical girl set as well in all white. Then I'm just going to grab this necklace and I'm going to color it this color, E4B783 and then BA966B in glitter. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.